Hey guys, this is my first video now of 2020. I've been a little bit inactive, which I'm really sorry about. I've got a little bit more time on my hands due to the whole pandemic that's happening in the world. I just thought I would do a cleaning video. So I've done almost like a tidy up or a speed clean of my house. Not my full house, majority of it anyway. I like watching these kind of videos and I find them really motivational and get a little bit of inspo, or even I just find it really therapeutic to watch people clean. So I always thought it might be a cool thing to do. And people always wanting to have a house tour or whatever. I had an Instagram DM that I put up for ideas of what you guys wanted to see, and someone said a house clean or a house tour. So at least I kind of not did both, but you'll obviously see a little bit of my house then, and just show you a sped up version of me cleaning. But I wish it really took me only 15 minutes, but it took me nearly all day. I just found it really fun to actually do this, and if you guys like it, then I can do some more. You guys can like and subscribe to my channel, actually start my YouTube and be a little bit more active on it this way. If you guys have any other ideas of what you want to watch or what you're interested in seeing, just comment them below, and also let me know your thoughts on this. I guess it's like a vlog, but like a clean with me kind of thing. So while you're in quarantine, just grab your little snacks and maybe a cup of tea, and you can either watch along or you can clean alongside me. So the first thing I generally do when I'm starting my clean, I will go and make sure that my bed is made. I find that that's one of the most productive things you can do to start off your cleaning day. I also then have popped a diffuser on with the oil blends of lavender, eucalyptus and peppermint. So I always light a candle, and I've also done some lavender incense that I bought in Melbourne, and it just made my room smell amazing. So this is our ensuite. It's a double ensuite, so it's a little bit bigger than our main bathroom, but this one generally takes me the longest to clean. Onto my vanity, it's always the one that basically hoards the most shit. I actually don't even use all these products daily, but they're always on the counter. So I've always just got to make a habit of actually putting it away in the drawers. Next up, I'm going in with my all-purpose cleaner from Method in French Lavender. I love this scent, and it's also eco-friendly, which works well for us as we live on tank water. And finally done. It's a little bit dark outside, but it's all clean, and it's so satisfying to have a clean bathroom. So next up, this is kind of like our second living area. It doesn't have a TV or anything like that, so it's just kind of like a sitting area. I do have my studio that's kind of attached to this room, so a lot of my clients bring their moms or friends or anything like that. Then generally they can sit there and just hang out while they're having their makeup appointment. But yeah, I just like this room because it's quite bright and airy. So I'm just lighting this candle. It's like the most amazing scent, but this room generally will accumulate the most junk because it's right in front of the door. And this is just a nice room spritzer that's in the same scent as the candle. Next up, we're in the hallway. So basically, as soon as you walk into my house, this is like the hallway stand and area that you will see. Light some candles and get the place smelling nice because it wafts through the whole house. And this, my friends, is Buster. He will be probably making an appearance throughout this whole video. So this mirror, it actually came from my studio, but I bought it from a antique shop in Sydney. They do quite a lot of mirrors like this, but it's actually a really beautiful key piece and it fits perfectly in that little spot at the front of my house. So fun fact, I actually have 3 bulldogs. This is Dozer, he's 10 years old, but he's so cute. So this is obviously my home/studio. It also has my makeup studio in the same room as well, but it's just kind of collected a lot of stuff during the whole isolation period because I haven't been working, so it just hasn't really had a place to go. So I'm just popping everything away and wiping everything down with my Micro Defense antibacterial spray and wipes. There is literally nothing more satisfying than seeing a clean workspace. Honestly, I can't wait to get back to lashing and also makeup clients. I just miss it so much, but on to the next mess. Guys, seriously, this part is always my biggest downfall. It's always a bomb site. They say that people that are makeup artists or very creative are the messiest kind of people. I'm kind of actually starting to believe that. And I Spy Buster again, getting attention as usual of Rosie. So with all surfaces that aren't either mirrored or glass, I will definitely always go in with my Method French Lavender antibacterial spray. I always just find that this one cleans literally any surface that you need and it doesn't leave a sticky residue or anything like that, so it's just a really nice cleaner to use. This is the most satisfying feeling ever. Having everything clean, everything in its place. So within our dining room, lots of people in and out. The back door is literally to the left-hand side of the screen. So this basically just collects a lot of junk, a lot of bits and pieces. And it's also right next to the kitchen, so it does collect like a lot of stuff. Okay, so I've been cleaning for about 3 hours, so I'm starving. This is a lunch that Rosie made for us. It's a butternut, pumpkin, and mushroom spaghetti. It is plant-based, which is awesome. And back into my cleaning with the kitchen area now after the big mess. So we will generally make enough pasta or lunch for another meal, so I always just pop that in the fridge. So next up, I'm just filling up the sink with hot boiling water and my Zaflora. This is in the scent Paradise Peach. It is a concentrated disinfectant that basically kills 99.9% of bacteria and viruses, and also it smells amazing. Especially due to all of this sickness and stuff going around, I like to wipe down literally everything with that Zaflora because it is antibacterial and also cleans everything really well. Then at least you know that there's no sicknesses, no germs or anything like that lying on anything that anyone touches. So don't mind the scratches on my fridge. It's actually from the removalist from when we moved to this house, but I'm just wiping it all down with a surface spray for any type of stainless steel. And finally finishing off with a quick mop. This is just hot water and Zaflora in the lavender scent. This is a great disinfectant for your kitchen area and also all of your floors really. It works really well and just helps the spread of any germs. So just doing a quick vacuum. This is our main living area. It's got the TV and everything like that. It does get the most use with the whole family and everything like that being here. So I'm just doing a quick vacuum and a quick wipe down of everything. It was pretty clean already because it doesn't have like a lot of decor in it. But yeah, that's our little outdoor gym for isolation. Okay, onto our main bathroom. So this is actually Rosie's bathroom. So I'm doing you a solid, girl. So to clean the toilet, I use the Dettol antibacterial textured wipes. I like to use one wipe per part of the toilet, so then it doesn't spread any more germs. And I'm just replacing the bin liner. Okay, here's my bomb of a laundry. I do so many loads of washing every day and I don't even know how there's so much washing, but there is. But I'm just taking everything out of the dryer and the washing machine and popping some towels on. I like to use either Dynamo or the Cold Power brand of washing detergent, and then generally the Cuddly brand of fabric softener. And just now folding those towels that just came out of the dryer and popped on my last load of washing for the night. This is the most satisfying feeling ever. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed watching me do my speed clean or my tidy up, if you guys have any other questions or where I get my decor or any of my furniture, please comment below and I will get back to you. Know if you enjoyed this and I can do some more. Thanks guys, see you next video.